Good night, construction site. See, they're starting to build something there. It is nighttime. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks worked with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. Look at all that equipment. They're busy. The sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one they'll go to bed, to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day, oh rough and tough construction play. Yeah, even the trucks gotta rest. Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. It's a hard-working truck. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight, sigh, then cuddles up and says goodnight. Shh. Good night, crane truck, good night. Damn, trucks are going to sleep. Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sings his whirly song. Now yawn he's weary, and so dizzy, from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. Truck's gonna rest. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, turns off his light. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh. Good night, cement mixer. Good night. And a well-deserved rest. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch! Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. Sleepy dump truck. He lowers his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his big engine slows to snores. Shh. Good night, dump truck. Good night. There's a guy in the apartment building saying, hey, pipe down. The man wants to get some sleep too. Noisy trucks. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar! No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy. Bulldozers are very big and tough. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops his track. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh. Good night, bulldozer. Good night. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. Arrgh. But now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. Having fun making all those holes. Yawn! He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back, and sets his scoop down on the ground, and snuggles up without a sound. Shh. Good night, excavator. Good night. In his well-deserved rest. These big, big trucks, so tough and loud. They work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day. Another chance to work and play. Turn off your engine, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. Quite a contrast from what was going on earlier. Now they're resting. Construction site all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today now. Shh. Good night. Well, that was a good one. Well, it's been a pleasure reading these books. I hope you all read books too. It's very important. Reading is a lifetime love. So the more you read, the more you'll love it. So hang in there, everybody. We're all in this together and we will get through it. Thank you.